3 years ago, at the beginning of the rise of generative AI, IBM saw the opportunity to transform the organization with these innovative technologies. And so, what did they do? They transformed HR, finance, procurement, IT, and a variety of other business units with these new technologies. One of the key areas that we're going to look at today is IT. So, how did IBM actually go from 891 employees per one IT representative to 4,248 employees for one IT representative? Huge increase in the ratio. IT support costs were reduced by $18 million. And so let's take a look at an example of how Ask IT works inside of IBM and resolves cases for users way faster without them having to wait for support or call phone lines and wait. So let's go over the first use case. So help me set up my Windows 11 machine. So what's happening here? Well, step one in the journey that IBM took was to consolidate all of the knowledge base and all of the instructional documents into one place and call it through RAG. So here we have the instructions for how to set up a Windows 11 PC. Now let's go over something that's a little bit more unique to IBM's environment. So what is the difference between IBM and IBM Internet Wi-Fi's? Because in a lot of the offices, these two Wi-Fi's can be similar and can be confusing, especially when you have guests over. And so here we have the main difference. One of them is for guests and one of them is for IBMers. This especially can help someone new who's getting used to the whole system. And now, so let's go a little bit deeper. So how can my guest access the guest Wi-Fi? Of course, we're doing RAG here and we're retrieving the essential information that our guests need to know to set up Wi-Fi. And this is avoiding a whole interaction with an IT support representative and giving agency and time back to the user. We're reducing toil and accelerating the flow of our company and helping things move faster, helping things move easier. So let's go, my VPN is not working. And this can set off a whole chain of bad reactions because we need our VPNs to work. So it's automatically detecting what I'm trying to do. It is going through a particular flow that was designed. And we can design these into the AI, or we can have the AI intelligently infer and collect information. So it's out here, it's collecting information. It is associating these devices with my account because it's already connected and it's personalized to me. And now and it continues to ask me questions. So no, these steps did not solve my issue, even though I tried troubleshooting. And what's it going to do now? Well, it's going to generate a support ticket for me. So this made the whole process very seamless. My VPN is not working and I have a client that needs a deliverable. And the ticket number has been created on my behalf. The automation was there and this process was accelerated. So that's an example of how IT is being used in the organization and how we've created technologies that enable employees to work with IT in a way that's way faster and way more effective.